Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing really well. So after quite a long time, I am back with a skincare video, and without keeping my introduction too long, I will keep it short and we will basically know the differences between three things today. This video is going to be informative and I want you to stick to the video till the end. Okay, so we will know basically the differences between three things. First is body lotion, that is also known as the body moisturizer, body butter and body yogurt. Alright, we do not have proper knowledge about these three things, and we end up choosing the wrong product for the wrong skin type. Okay, so we will know every detail, like what these products are, what to choose, when to choose, and which type of skin is best suited for which type of product. Okay, so let's begin. So today I have miniatures of three things like body moisturizer, body butter and body yogurt, and I will give you all the details. So first, moving on to the most common thing that is mostly prevalent between every one of us, that is the body moisturizer or body lotion. So what is body lotion? Body lotion is something that is available very easily in the market. First of all, it is suited mainly for all skin types. You can use it all throughout the year. It is hydrating, it has water content, it absorbs nicely into the skin, and is basically water based, right? So it has water content in it. I have this body lotion from this miniature body lotion from Sage Apothecary. Alright, I will show you the texture, how it is. So basically the texture is light to medium. Okay, it is light to medium, and while you rub it, it absorbs nicely into the skin. It is mediumly moisturizing and is suited mainly for normal to dry skin. Alright, and you can use it all throughout the year. The next thing that we move on to is body yogurt. Now, what is body yogurt? Often we do not have any idea about this, and we don't know where the people show us, ma'am purchase this, ma'am purchase that, and we get absolutely confused. Okay, so we will know today what body yogurt is. Body yogurt is a lighter version of body moisturizer. So what did I tell you right now? That body moisturizer has water content in it, is mediumly moisturizing, is suited for people all throughout the year, and is suited for people who are having normal to dry skin. Now, body yogurt is something which has a high water content. It is more lightweight and can be used on the skin, can be used on damp skin. Like once you come out of the washroom, once you have taken a fresh bath, and just after coming out of the washroom, you can use it on your skin because it has a high water content. And it is basically best suited for the people who are having oily skin because it does not have a lot of moisturizer in it, like a lot of oil in it. It doesn't have a lot of oil in it, and is best suited for the summertime. Today I have this BioGlam body yogurt with me, and I will show you sorry, because of this focusing here and there, it becomes white. I will show you the consistency and everything. This one has SPF 20 as well, so if you want to use it and go out in the sun, if you have some work, you can just put it, apply it quickly. It absorbs. One thing I forgot to mention, it is it absorbs very quickly on the skin. It is it gives you a very nice and a healthy glow. Okay, so I have taken it on my fingers, and see, it's absolutely thin and water based, and let me check how quickly it gets absorbed. Wow, see, just 2 or 3 rubs and it's gone. So this body lotion takes a little more time because the oil content is a little more. Now, the strongest of all is body butter. Now, body butters are made with a combination of carrier oils and essential butters and do not contain water. Butters are the essential fats and minerals that are extracted from the natural ingredients like shea, cocoa, mango seed, etc. Now, body butters are absolutely thick and do not generally have the water content in it. It is best suited for the winter season and for the people who are having extremely dry skin. It is very thick and is nearly similar to the butter that we eat. Okay, here today I have the M Caffeine Choco Body Butter. M Caffeine Choco Body Butter, and I will show you how much thick it is. See, it is extremely thick, and see, it's absolutely becoming a layer on the skin. It's very, very thick, and you will have to rub it a long time to get it absorbed into the skin. It's quite oily, as you can see it. It's very oily, and it is absolutely not suited for the skin for the summer season because it will make your skin greasy. And of course, the oil, it is much more long lasting than any sort of body yogurt or body moisturizer or anything of that sort. It's very much long lasting. Wow, smells absolutely divine. Whenever I use this, I just love the smell. Anyway, so that's not our point. Our point is what these are. So body butter, if you want to use body butter, you can use body butter only if your skin is absolutely dry, or you can use it to nourish your skin in the winter season. It's absolutely well suited for people with dry skin, not for people who are having oily skin. Okay, so let's come to the conclusion. So what these are: body lotion is medium to lightly moisturized. It is for people who are having normal to dry skin, can be used throughout the year, and has medium water content in it. Body yogurt, on the other hand, has high water content in it, absorbs very quickly into the skin, suited for summer, suited for people who are having oily skin, and you can use it right after you come out of the washroom. You can use it on your damp skin. And body butter, on the contrary, has a very thick consistency, has very less water content in it. Like if we could rather say that it has nearly no water content in it. It is absolutely thick and is best suited for skin which is dry, and is best suited for the winter season, but lasts way longer than body moisturizer or body yogurt. I hope this video had been informative to you, and if you have liked this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for more notifications. It's me, Shreya, signing off. Bye bye. Take care.